Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran, Technical Architect, Easy Guide, End Series. So, as many of you know, already have got some rumor or official information, the Technical Architect certification has got vast amount of change. That's due to the factor how this CTA has been conducted and how many people has able to got and what is the value of it, things like that. So Salesforce was really working very hard as last a couple of years in restructuring and thinking so much about this certification. Considering this is the most top level certification one could get in Salesforce in perspective for technical side, honestly, this is not true because in the test pattern where they have like a two level of multiple exam, multiple question exam and one interview type exam. But honestly, it's very difficult to judge a person based on all different areas in Salesforce. They couldn't cover everything in one exam, and it's not fair for any individual to master in all the different like, domains in the Salesforce platform. So it's very difficult for them as well to formulate any kind of structure for this exam. So what they have done is uh, they have grouped into different domains and they've just classified with different titles, and one could just concentrate on one area of Salesforce and get expert level and get the architect in that particular domain. And whereas they still keep this technical architect where one can get like after getting some level of certifications and then reaching the technical architect certification after that, not just immediate like now they, you could just appear for technical architect even if you have 401 force.com developer certification, which is totally unfair. And to be honest, it's really a big jump from 401 to technical architect. So they have given different levels um, before CTA. So that's good in one point. But but for developers or admins like us, it's going to be a bit trouble because you need to do more certifications. But in the end, it's going to be good because you will end up learning more and learning more stuff very deeply, and you can take your own time. It's going to be a bit easy because as of now, it's only people who really collaborate with CTAs and who collaborate very close to Salesforce and who collaborate closely with some proper training and who is really in high level could easily get CTA. People who work for some companies, just one company for few years, really they couldn't get because they don't have much exposure. I have seen some of my friends even they work for some very good companies for like 3 4 years. They're good in their job, they know most of the stuff in the Salesforce, but still they couldn't get because they really didn't work on certain parts which is not even available in developer org. And so I mean developer edition. So they need to have that feature in their company to just simply see how it works. So really very difficult. So given all those considerations, this is a good step. But how it's going to affect us? Salesforce has given some time for whoever is going through this CTA process already, even myself. But the problem is they have given the cutoff time 31st January 2017. Within that, you should be in the level of completing the second level, which is a multiple exam, and then you should be ready for review board exam. So only if those person could easily pass through that. Otherwise, you need to go through the new hierarchy where you need to apply for some certain outdated level, and then you could do CTA. It's available. Everything is available in Salesforce certification website, so you could easily go through and see what's going on there. And I want to point out one uh, preparation guide which Salesforce has collated for a Salesforce technical architect certification. It's really good. Like it's not only just for certification. Even if you want to just get deep knowledge about know about different sections of Salesforce. When you get free time apart from your work, I think it's a really good read. I have almost read all the stuff. It's given a lot of good information, and I feel really confident after reading everything about Salesforce. Though really you can't master it in everything, as like previously told. Like uh, it's very difficult. It takes a lot of time, and if you when you master one, and you will tend to forget something else when you which you did a bit before, long before. So really, it's very difficult. But at the most, you could try and know few stuff. Like it won't be a uh, it won't be a very new terminologies or something like that. If you read and just brush up your knowledge, that's good. So yeah, as part of my this social sharing thing, what I've done decided is initially I thought to just go through everything in technical architect level examination point of view to just give a very easy guide. But the thing is, even now I'm just packing up my plan because I could do actually I have already prepared, so I could do that, but really it won't help my fellow beings because the cutoff date is only this end month end, only couple of weeks more, so it's not going to benefit so many people. So I've changed my idea. Now I'm not going to concentrate on CTA now because since it requires a lot of levels, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to still work on technical stuff like Apex, Visual Force, and integration, mobile architect, few things. I'm going to start some series on that, mainly on Lightning, which is going to be a next big thing in Salesforce, and which so many people have already asked me to create some series on that. I'm going to do that, and also basically in JavaScript as well because I have been working in JavaScript from my university time, so I'm really fond of working in that. But there are some people who really ignored for time for most of their career, but now they want to get that hands on that. So I will probably have a series on that as well. So still subscribe to my blogspot, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is called NEPS Salesforce. I'll be posting every week on different topics, so you could really follow me and have a grasp of technical side in Salesforce. um, yeah, saying that, I'm going to end this CTA series, which is no more relevant, but you could start me spinning up a few more series. Follow me, and this is my blog spot. You could follow everything about Salesforce development. nepsforce.blogspot.co.uk. See you next video. Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them, and if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.